I hope you practiced on our previous lesson because now we're gonna do the P sound. First, say the sound. Now press your lips against each other as hard as you can. Most people only press their lips against each other, but there's another way to make your P sound more bigger and fuller. You can fold your lips inward like this, then use your upper teeth and lower teeth to press against them. Now breathe in air and try to force it out of your closed mouth and lips. Now push that air out rapidly as you uncurl or open your lips and say P, P, P. You got it? Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Patient, patient. Happy, happy. Passport, passport. People, people. Pepper, pepper. There are also words spelled with the letter P that are unvoiced. For example, pneumonia, pneumonia. Receipt, receipt. Raspberry, raspberry. Cupboard, cupboard. Psychology, psychology. And there you go. Good job. High five. When practicing the P sound, try not to overdo it because your mouth and lips might get strained and start aching. And with that said, on to the next video.